Hi, I'm Katie, Regional Marketing Manager for Sun Outdoors. We're here today at Sun Resorts and Residences Ocean Breeze, an active 55+ resort where we have many opportunities for long-term stays. Let's go check them out. Let me introduce you to Kevin, our sales manager. He's here to tell you about the long-term options we have here.
Thanks, Katie. We've got a few different long-term options for vacation home sales. Let's go check one out. Come on. What makes our home so great is the open, spacious floor plans available. We have 9-foot ceilings. We got hurricane-rated impact windows and doors, ceramic tile floors throughout, custom furniture packages available upon request, and of course, our spacious kitchen with quartz countertops, gourmet stainless steel kitchen appliances, and much more. For more information, come find me at the Welcome Center. I'd love to give you a tour. Really easy process. Come check out one of our new homes.
What makes Ocean Breeze so unique is our proximity to the water. We have a couple of downtown areas for shopping and dining.
Ocean Breeze is easy living. We decorated the home ourselves and we knew what we wanted. One of the best parts of my home here, I love my porch. We must spend 4 to 6 hours a day in between breakfast, lunch, dinner up here on the porch.
When we bring our grandchildren and our son here, they love the pool, they love the cabana, the cafe. Everything is really, really easy here. Fits right into our lifestyle.
And dog and pet friendly. It's like paradise and I don't want to leave.
We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Resorts and Residences Ocean Breeze, where you can make lasting memories and explore your sunnier side. See you soon.